guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is BYDALESMITH for my new viewers, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you for tuning in today. I really appreciate all of your support. On today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Yes, I'm super excited. So backstory, I got this light as a birthday gift from a friend, and it did arrive about 2 to 3 weeks ago, to be very honest. Probably a month now, I'm not sure. However, I've been swamped, I've been super busy, and today is the day that the Lord has made for us to unbox it together and see what's in there. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. And hey, yeah, so I'm gonna be adding all of this lights to the new setup that I have. To the setup that I have currently. So the lights that I'm using right now, I did film the unboxing a while back. It's somewhere on my channel. Do well to watch it so you can kind of like compare and, you know, pick the one you want. So let's get right into the video. So this is what we have. It actually came in like a bigger carton, but my sister took that out. She opened it up, and then this is what was left. And I'm like, why would you do that? I wanted to film this, you know, but yeah, whatever. So this is what we have, and I'm just gonna take it out of the pack. I've not seen what's in here, so we'll unbox it together. And there we go, taking this out. It's not too heavy. This is like the bag that you can use to kind of like pack it and transport or whatever, if you have to, if you're mobile, if you have to move around. And I'm just gonna open this up, and there's a zip here. I'm gonna open this like so. Okay, oh, okay, careful though. And this is what is in there right now, like this. And I feel like these are the stands. We have two stands here. I'm gonna put this somewhere here. Oh my god, this is so messy, guys. This is super messy. So I'm just gonna like this. Oh lord, I hope I did not break anything. I'll be right back. It's too messy. So guys, I'm back. So yes, I feel like I'm just gonna show you everything that came out of this bag, and then we'll move from there, because putting everything on my lap, I don't think that was efficient. So the brand is Neewer. I got my previous light, the one I'm using right now, I got it from this same brand, and they're pretty good. I do think that they have like really nice lighting equipment. So this is the bag that you can use to, you know, pack everything that I'm going to be showing you here. So this is a bag, that's what it looks like, and that's it. And I'm just going to show you all the materials that comes in this. There's two of this. I just have them in front of me, but yeah, there's two of this right now, and I'm going to unbox each to see what's in there. So I'm going to open that up now. Okay, I guessed wrong. So the one in the brown box is actually the stand. So I'm gonna open up this stand. Yeah, stands. This is the first stand, and one thing that I really like about this brand is I do feel like their stands are super great. They're super sturdy, and I don't know, they're just super like strong. It doesn't feel light or anything. So even if you when you mount it, if you're like in a busy place, it's not gonna trip over or anything. That's one thing that I really like about this brand, the sturdy stand, and like, yeah, that's that one. And we have the second stand here, so same thing. Bringing that out. Yep, same thing, same stand. It can extend all the way up. So this is the extension. It's super long. It's super long. I'm not even sure how many inches these are. Like, it's way, yeah, like literally. Yep, it's quite long. I'm gonna stand right beside it I'm about 5'5" or 5'6". I think I'm 5'6", so, and these are way taller than I am, so yeah. So we're good on the height for the stands, and I'm gonna go into the next thing. So we have two stands right here, and these two bags that I assumed were like the stands before, they are not the stand. I guess they're the light cover or the soft boxes. Sorry, I do not know the term, so just bear with me. Whatever it is that I'm saying on here. Okay, how does this come open? Oh, okay. Sneak. Yeah. Yep, I'm correct. Super excited. So, okay. Oh, I see. We have this one. Okay. Okay, guys, I am excited. Okay, so we have this. So we have two of this. This is the second one. And yeah, I do not know too much about light, but I think this is the Softbox as it is, because that's what the light says. It says Softbox lighting. Yeah, so that's that. So we have two of this in the pack too, and it comes in this bag. Oh, there's a cloth in it. There's a white cloth, so I guess this is the cover. Like after you mount this, you use this to cover it up. So this is the cover. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, so we have the cover right here, and again we have two. So I'm just gonna bring this out too. It's the same thing. Just to reduce the mess, I'm gonna fix this in the stand. Put this in. I'm guessing this is where it should go. Am I correct now? Yes, you are correct though. So I'm putting this right in. Okay, why is that happening? Okay, I'm just gonna lock this up. Okay, so we have this one here. Okay, I'm just gonna put it here. I don't know. Yeah, that one. I'm gonna fix the other one too. Figuring this thing out. So open this up and put it right in. Yep, we're good. I'm gonna just, so what we have so far, I'm just gonna move my camera out the way to the back so you can see what we have so far. I do have this for the second, so this is another one. I'm gonna put it here. Okay, I'm gonna move my camera all the way to the back so you can see like a more clear view, I guess. So I'm gonna try to, okay, this would be here. Just let it be on the same level for now. Okay. I'm just a girl. I'm feeling so fancy right now. So this is what we have so far. We have the soft boxes and the stand. So it's a pair. And yeah, let's get into the light now. These are the only 3 boxes left here. This and one more and this. So we have just 3 of this here. And I'm guessing these are the bulbs. It comes with 3 bulbs. Okay, I'm not sure what I did there, but I need to be careful with this one. I'm gonna put this here. And I don't know what this is, but I think this is the cover. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, so there's 3 of this in the pack, right? So I'm gonna bring out the second one since I have just 2. I guess there's like a spare, which is super thoughtful. Thank you, Neewer. Yeah, thank you, my friend. Love you. So we have this two, and I'm just gonna fix this in the two here, and let's see what we have. Oh my, that is so cool. Like, I have to like press it all the way in. Okay, this involves manpower, guys. It's a bit okay. I got it. Oh guys, that was like a bit harder than I thought. Push it all the way in. Oh yeah, is that fixed? I don't know, man. Okay, I think. Oh, I got it in the wrong way. I'm gonna have to bring it out. Oh Lord. Okay, again, we go again. Honestly, you have to be super careful about this part. I feel like I'm doing it the wrong way. Oh God, did I ruin it? I don't know. It's so hard. Guys. Oh. Okay, it's done. Woo. Gonna bring it down a bit like this instead of it being all the way up. So it has like a control here, so you can move the knob. You can move the knob as you wish and then lock it to the position you want. And now I'm just gonna place this this clothing or this material. I'm gonna place this material all over it and just follow. I'm just wondering, is there like a manual in this thing? Probably not. Oh guys, there's a manual. I'm gonna grab it. Okay guys, do not be like me. There's a manual in it, like very short manual, and it has pictures, but so far so good. I've been doing the right things, yay. But now I'm on the third part, which is attach the diffusion panel to the front of the softbox. So we have the soft boxes, we have the ball in the softbox, and now this is the diffusion panel. I was calling it a clothing, Jesus. Anyways, this is the diffusion panel, and I'm gonna attach that to this right now. So this, it does have like points where you need to staple the diffusion panel to, and I'm just gonna paste it here, just pasting it around. Bit more, yep, like that. And for the other one, I'm just gonna be doing the same thing, putting the diffusion panel on this real quick. Okay, almost there. So I'm taking out the plug just to connect that, because that's the last step, to connect it. And I'm gonna put it right here, and I'm gonna put the other one here too. It has like a small control panel area connected to this plug, so that's where you kind of turn it on and off. There's a little like, I did not secure that very well, so just need to spread the wings a little bit more. It's secured, we're good, and it has like a little like, you know, I'm gonna show you. So it has like this small panel box here. I guess it's like a control box, so I guess this is where you turn it on and off. It's connected to, it's attached to the plug, so I'm taking it back. It's on right now. I think I pressed it. Okay, so it's on, and I'm gonna turn on the other one. Okay. Whew. So this is what we have right now, and that's what they both look like. So now they're behind me, so it's probably not going to show how bright it can get, but I do think it's a bit dim. I mean, the name is Softbox, so it's probably like a soft lighting that's supposed to just be soft and everything. If I move closer to this video, I'm sure I'm going to see a little bit of difference or whatever, but this is what they look like. I'm gonna move them forward now just to see how they add to my current setup. And to be honest, I wanted this light for my makeup videos, actually, not necessarily to film. I do not know the benefits for now, but I've seen like a lot of reviews how it makes your video like a bit crisp and the lighting is not harsh or whatnot. So I'm hoping that I get that kind of effect. I'm gonna shoot like a makeup video later on and see what this looks like, but now I'm going to move it forward to see. So guys, I'm not sure. Yeah, this is what we have right now. This is what my lighting looks like. I added the soft boxes, and one is on the side, one is on the other side. And then I have my former like lighting setup combined with the soft boxes, and this is what I have. I would have to go back to the previous video or like to the beginning of this video to see the difference, but yeah, this is it. So far the light is very soft. I think that's the word. It's soft. It's not harsh, it's not too overwhelming, as opposed to like the ones that I have here, which is my former lighting, because they're super like bright and they're just like right on your face. But this is softer because of the diffuser, I believe. But yes, I am not going to be using this to film. I'm going to be using this for my makeup videos. So it's still like relatively for filming, but not for this kind of filming. I don't know, maybe because it's like super dark right now. It's dark. It's about, what's the time? I just researched that it's super hard to tell the time. But this is about 15 minutes to 8. Yeah, I do believe this is 15 minutes to 8, and everywhere is super dark, so maybe that's also contributing to it, because I actually do not necessarily see the difference, apart from the fact that it's making everything look so calm. It makes everything soft and it's so like, it's just calm. I don't know if that's the word, but yeah, that's pretty much everything. I'm gonna turn the camera so that you can see what the light looks like, and yeah. So that's what we have, the soft boxes with the other light. Yep, that's everything. So guys, that's everything about the unboxing. We've come to the end of the video, and just to recap, these lights are from Neewer. Got this from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box, and it's a pair. So there's 2 stands, there's 2 soft boxes. However, we have 3 bulbs, which is super thoughtful. There's also like a manual where you can see how to mount it and set it up. It's pretty straightforward. It has pictures, but the part that I had to put the bulb into the soft box was a bit tricky. I had to, you know, it required extra strength to kind of push the bulb in, so you have to be careful at that point. It also comes with like a plug, so you need a power source, obviously. It doesn't have any rechargeable battery or whatnot. So yeah, I think that's about everything. Also, it doesn't have any control system to reduce the light or increase the light. So this is pretty much what you have standard. There's no increase in the light or decreasing. Maybe there's going to be like an opportunity to change the bulb to something else. If you want a brighter bulb, you can buy like a higher kilowatt or whatnot, but so far I think the bulbs are 100 kilowatt each. I'm not sure, but in the link in the description box you can see all of the specifications, and yeah, that's everything. So do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. What do you think about this light? Would you be getting this? Do you need this? All right, bye guys.